I think I see where it going with this one, eh? Been around the world and back, yeah, I did that. Still kick raps that cause impact. So where my kids at? These motherfuckers hating, sounding funnier than Sinbad. I'm ill as the pills that they give you when you can laugh. This, that, the other, kiss your mother with that mouth. We the assholes that she warned you about. He just stormed in the house, open doors through a cloud. Got an assortment of style, just be sure that it's well. 6:30 in the morning and they're still ain't slowing down. Twin sisters getting wasted, so they both are down. It's going down, thought I told you, man. If you tryna party, let me see you raise your. There's a party on 5th Ave, party on 5th Ave. If you tryna go, I can be there in like 20. I'm honking and come running, cause we gotta hit the road. Make sure you got a clean shirt, clean pants, no shoes. You better there, good shoes. Party on 5th Ave tonight, and that's what I'm trying to do. Hey, what's the difference between me and you? I know I'm believing you. I'm flying to Beetlejuice. Don't count on the sheep to snooze. I'm fucked up off freedom boots. I'm partying. Let's not get pulled over this time. Shut up. This is F.U.C.T. Airsoft going to Elite Ops on Saturday for once. Fuck yes. America. Bane drives too close to people. Oh snap. There's a party on 5th Ave. If you tryna go, I can be there in like 20. I'm honking and come running, cause we gotta hit the road. Make sure you got a clean shirt, clean pants, no shoes. What you buy there, you shoes. There's a party on 5th Ave tonight, and that's what I'm trying to do. Nice. Attacks, go, man, go faster, Van.
Tristan reported the corner of meeting.
Oh shit. Nice. We can pull it over for that. Let me get a turkey sandwich, lettuce, tomato, fish. My name Mac Miller. Who the fuck are you? Well, my crew too live, but I ain't Uncle Luke. And I ain't no hipster, girl, I can make your hipster. From Pittsburgh, smoke papers over Swisher. Welcome to the Camp Pelham Chronicles. Looking out my monocle, I'm dodging obstacles. I gamble like the Bellagio. You cockroach, I'm heroin, cause everything I dodge is dope. Type to leave it clean and fucking shiny, word of mop and glow. Tryna get a mansion, ain't nobody here gon' find my room. Money gon' be green, I guarantee you that my side stay blue. So press play, I start from scratch and never use no template. The next day, these losers always going with what's trendy. My pen game is something these motherfuckers have never seen. All city champion, everybody is second string. No need to testify, for the best is I. And anybody in my way is gonna be like, you can put it on my If you don't hold me down for all I care, you can starfish. Feed the world, you can put it on my tab. Run until my legs go numb. I don't plan on looking back. Anything you need, you can find it at the market. Anything you need, you can find it at the market. I got my own stickers now, so literally I'm everywhere. 100 different shoes, still feel the need to cop a fresher pair. These motherfuckers treat me like it's just my second year. For you better get prepared. Don't know about you, but on my...
If that cop's there, can I wave at him? Hi! Just like stick my whole body out the window. Is this where it was? Yeah. See. Oh. He's like up in the trees. Maybe he's like hidden and he drops onto his motorcycle. Is he up there? Yeah. That motherfucker. That's a really good place there. Here he was. Trash bag, never mind.
Friend, you got some shit to say, I suggest you hold it in. I'ma feed the world, you can put it on my tab. Run until my legs go numb. I don't plan on looking back. Anything you need, you can find it at the market. If you don't hold me down for all I care, you can starfish. I'ma feed the world, you can put it on my tab. Run until my legs go numb. I don't plan on looking back. Anything you need, you can find it at the market. Anything you need, you can find it at the market. And this is Blue Slide Park.
Eagle! The fucking eagle! I think I broke it. Never mind.
This is Georgia, everyone.
Whoa.
Look at the power.
Look at Georgia. We have like shit over here, and like big ass motherfucker trucks over here, and trees, and rednecks,
And sheep.
and white people, and slavery. No, we don't have that anymore. That's awful. Slavery!
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah! Immigrant!
HotspotATL.com is powered by the new Black Planet Radio.
I boot that.
Beat that.
In my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round and try to shut us down about an hour ago, but we still in this. Pull up in that automatic hook up. Be rich, pull up in that rooster till we wake up, put up. Got all these pounds. I work out, I'm doing cool. Just Bobby Banders in the building, pop that, throw a put up in the air. One time for it like me, with a squad like this, where the team so strong, and I flow so cold, and nothing but some bad in my clique. What's up?
Getting the well, my man.
Michigan University.
On the pole, yeah, make me rich. Girls on my toes wanna take my dick. Yeah, we can do this.
I lose all my stations when I get to Canton. It's fucking annoying.
This song is for all the haters.
Policeman.
I just be like, fuck you, what you need, you can't get nothing from me. You was talking shit, now I'm somebody you would love to be. I'ma do my thing until the day the reaper come for me. You can keep on grilling, I'ma smell back. Call your army, bring your tanks. I'm a big boy with a big boy bang. Self-employed, independent, once you start, don't take no breaks. Work until I get it, I bet it's gonna take a second. But once I start up my engine, I'm gone. Too fast to catch him, I'm landing mixed up with UGK. Maybe try to bubble drink when I'm on it strong. Yours, weaker than 7 days. Sweeter than triple A. Presidential head of state. Dopest motherfucker since before I hit the 7th grade. Elevate, cool as shit. Cooler than what coolest is. Slick without no lubricant. Bullshit, you just full of it. Stupid bitch. Keep on hating, I'ma keep on doing it. Spend the day at me, boy, you couldn't get the
Oh my god, it's Elite Ops! Where is everyone?
Fucking kids.
Hit him! Hit him! And you You almost hit him. We get kicked out because you almost hit him. I know. Like, you hit me, my dad sues you. This is Clutch. And this is Bane. We're checking out. We'll see you in the field.
I'm loving you.
Well done.